Welcome to my cooking show. So these are all that I want to make today. So you all are welcome to Joy Cook Show, and I am starting to make this food right now. Bang, bang, bang. So it's time to start the cooking. Right away we had a little bit of oil. Now we're just gonna start putting all the meat. So we are making a very big batch of food today. So right now we start to add all the ingredients to it. So ginger and garlic, onions, chili pepper, and all the tomatoes. And we start to add the dry ingredients: turmeric powder, dry thyme, and seasoning, salt, so this is how we make our lamb batch of lamb today. Big pot of food we are making today, so we're going to let it simmer for 20 minutes, and we're going to take out all the meat, and we'll start to add our Ofada rice and the lettuce and the rest ingredients to cook. So this is it, and we have to let it cook for now. So this is it. It's cooking very well. So right now, this is after 20 minutes. We need to take out all the meat from this very stuff, so we can start the cooking. So right now we're going to start cooking this Ofada rice. So these are the Ofada. We're just going to add it to this very stock. And we're going to be adding this lettuce. This is lettuce. Just going to add it. Just gonna mix everything together very well. We're not gonna add more stock or water. Everything here will cook. Everything will slow cook for 2 hours. So now we're gonna be adding raisin. This is raisin. Just gonna add raisin. We are not adding any more seasoning because everything is already in here. So now we're gonna add onions. These are caramelized onions. We're just gonna add it. So these caramelized onions is gonna give it sugar. Like this. So caramelized onions. And now we're gonna be adding butter. This is solid butter. You can see this is solid butter. So right now we're just gonna add a little bit to it. So this is it. And we're gonna add thyme. This is thyme, fresh thyme. We're gonna add some of this fresh thyme to this very food. And also we have basil. We're gonna add some basil. These are basil leaves. Just gonna add some of it to it. We'll give it that so this is it. Now we are gonna give it. So now we're gonna be adding all the meat. The meat, we're gonna add all the meat to it. So these are all the meat. So this meat, just gonna add bones and all the meaty parts, everything down to the rice. So these are all the lamb. So this is it. Now I'm just gonna cover it up. So now this is all the tomatoes. Just going to cover it up with parchment paper. So we're gonna let it cook for 2 hours. Cover it up with this lid. So thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. So the food is here and it's ready. We need to take out all the paper. Oh my God. So this is the food. Wow. This is so good. Right now, we're just gonna carry all the meat and put them one side and work on the food. These are all the rice. Ooh. Oh my God, this is so delicious. These are all the rice. So now we have to serve this food. You can see how delicious this food is. It's a whole batch of food. You can see how this meat. Oh, it's so good. So hot. Oh my God, look how so hot. Wow. We really cook well. Oh, this is good food, so delicious and good. Oh my goodness, the aroma is everything. You can see it's like a Turkish rice. So I use our own Nigerian Ofada rice to make it with lamb meat. Thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cook Show. This is wonderful. This is wonderful, guys. This is food we eat and enjoy. Thank you for staying here with me to make this meraviglia food. So this is the food and it's ready. You can see how delicious this food is. So fluffy. Oh my God, these are all the meat, very well cooked. You can see how it's falling apart. You can see how everything is just falling apart. Oh, wow. So this rice and lamb meat is cooked 2 hours, slow cook. Thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cook Show. Bye for now.